All right, guys, quick little review today. Picked up this. Sorry, I didn't pick it up. They sent it to me, and this is it's a double magic ball party light. Double magic ball party light. I figured they said, "Do you want it?" And I was like, "I don't know." And then I was like, "You know what? Why not? Why not? Put it in the garage. Maybe it'll be super cool. You guys can kind of see parties happening here, maybe on this side of the garage. We got my hex lights going up, so why not some extra lights?" Anyways, it seems pretty. I want to say industrial, sort of, kind of. Anyways, you do get the manual, which comes with it. You get a power plug. So I don't know why they're mounted on the roof. It's possible I could probably mount it maybe over there if that's a thing. You get a little tiny remote. Yes, where I make a little remote right here. Cool. And I would think the last possible thing is it, right? Is the light. It's smaller than I expected. When you see it in the picture, I was like, oh, it's gonna be ginormous, like a projector. But no, it's actually quite little. Yes, if I see it, yeah, that's it right there. The party light, and you can tell it is designed, you would think, to mount on the ceiling. Yeah. So my guess would be, yeah, I'd probably mount it up where the garage door opener is set right now. That's it. But let's plug it in. Let's plug it again. I think this is going to be a short video. Uh, it looks like this requires or doesn't require, but comes with like a watch battery style. It's got a little adapter in it or a little thing to help block it. That's our party light. It says a little. Does it have a little sticker on it? Nope. I'm guessing those are designs to. That's the sound. I bought this. This is the Anchor battery. Again, Boxing Day, Black Friday, one of those. I bought it. Anyways, it's pretty cool. I'll give you guys a review of that in a little while. Okay, so let's do this, shall we? We'll turn you on. Okay, we are turning that on. Yes, plug. And then all this should have to do is plug in here, turn it on. Oh, oh, look, you guys see this? Okay, you gotta see this. You gotta see the ceiling. I'm just gonna turn it like so. I guess you could in theory. Oh, that's super cool. Again, I don't know if I'll ever use it, but it's still cool. I'm just gonna prop that up. Look at that. You guys see that? Hold on. Well, we're gonna take this camera back here, okay? And we're gonna put it on the roof. That's our roof right there. Yes? You guys should be able to see that. I'm gonna turn some of the lights off. One sec. Okay, so I have to say, you guys probably can't see. You can't see me, but I have to say, um, it is. Here's me, right? It is pretty crazy in regards to, you know. Let me turn up more lights. Okay, hold on. There we go. Hopefully you guys can see that now. That's pretty cool. And you are rocking the disco party for sure. And the remote, as far as I can tell, now I have no light. The remote gives us some different start and stops. So we have like auto 1, which has just different designs. Okay. Auto 2, maybe some different designs. Yeah. So it's just all kinds of different, I'm guessing predetermined lighting effects is my guess. They're all just slightly different in regards to what they look like. Not huge differences, but they are different. Anyways, a short video because I think, if you guys are looking at something that's just, I don't know, kind of funky, right? Like that's you can kind of still see the ceiling, right? It's kind of funky, and it's shining on me. And because of the way that it has its different lights, like it literally shining a little bit behind it, and my whole ceiling is covered, as well as the walls. So if you did ceiling mount this, you know, I'm gonna bring up my phone here just so you guys can see it. We'll go super wide. So there it is. There it is right there. And you can see on it, that's behind it, and it's still getting light on it, as well as up on the top. You can kind of see the lights hitting it. And then if you come here, I'll just kind of spin around so you can see everything. Like, it is covering the entire ceiling, and I don't have white walls, but it's got the walls are hit. Yeah, that's actually pretty cool. And like I said, it doesn't need to be like on the ceiling. It could be on the ceiling, but it doesn't need to be on the ceiling. Yeah, that's pretty cool. That's definitely pretty cool. If that's something that you're, interested in. I'm just gonna turn my lights back on. Anyways, there you go. That's a kind of a, I guess, a first look at this. Is it something I would use all the time? Well, not necessarily, but I could see, you have some people come in here and you're like, check this out, right? Or if you're having a Christmas party, or if you're having a birthday party, or you're having some kind of party, and you just want some cool disco lights on the ceiling, it's pretty inexpensive and it works pretty good. And what's also really cool is that, a lot of these put out a lot of fan noise. No, not so much. Not so much at all. And I should be able to just, I think, just turn this off. Yes. Yeah. Boom. Off. Anyways, yeah, it's pretty cool. Pretty cool. All right, guys, if you're up all interested, which maybe you are, I don't know. Um, I'll leave links down below. You guys can go check it out. All right, our friends, that's it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and I will see you guys next video. Later.